I'm gonna spend the next 24 hours. Let's do like a Mr. Beast type of intro.
I am going to spend the next 24 hours
delivering food for Doordash and Grubhub. Before I begin, there's a few things I need to do. One is I need to go fill up my gas tank. And the second is I want to make a prediction of how much I think I will make today. And yes, it's gonna be 24 hours. It is currently Saturday night starting at 9 p.m. and I'm gonna be finishing 9 p.m. Sunday night. It is currently 8:28, so I have about 32 minutes to fill up my tank and get ready to start working. So, let's get moving. The gas tank is full, and right now is a good time for me to make a prediction of how much I think I will make working for 24 hours. And my prediction, I think this is a bold prediction, but my prediction is, hey, it's me, Mika from the future. Just a heads up, no way this is a bold prediction. Honestly, I have no clue what I was talking about. Sorry, keep watching. $350. Well, I just got my first order, as you guys can see right here. It's a pickup from Walgreens, and it's paying $13.75, but I have to go shop. I'm not good at shopping, but oh well, let's give it a try. Get in the camera. Well, so basically I went to Walgreens to pick up an order, but if you go to a grocery store like Walgreens, they actually make you shop for the food. And I'm a terrible shopper. You can ask my wife. That was hard, I'll be honest with you. There were a lot of items that were missing, wasn't able to pick up, and then a customer took forever getting back to me, so I honestly didn't even get his whole order. There was one item that I was not able to pick up, but I'm never doing any more of those again because it took me about 35 minutes to get to the store to pick it up, and I'm driving back right now. I was planning to do an update a little bit later, but I had to do it now because that Walgreens order that I told you guys was gonna be $13.75, it actually ended up being $18.75, I think. I'll put it right here. Took me 40 minutes to do, paid me $18.75. Not bad at all. Let's go get the McDonald's order. And I did want to mention one thing that I don't know if I've mentioned yet, but normally I would have probably done Grubhub just because I've seen the most deliveries and the best pay with Grubhub. But since Doordash is actually doing a promotion where when you do 25 deliveries, they will give you an extra $200. That is why I'm doing Doordash mostly for right now. So it's currently exactly 10 o'clock. I'm 1 hour in. I've done 2 deliveries for a total of $24.50. We'll see if I get anything else. But I did actually speak to a man at McDonald's and he told me that he works at night. So he starts around 10 o'clock and he's done by 8 in the morning. And he says he loves it doing at night because, I mean, obviously there's less cars, but the other thing is he said you make so much money. So I don't know how true it is. We'll have to test it out and we'll see, and I'll let you guys know. You guys, this has to be the funniest order I've ever seen. They want me to deliver a Taco Bell order for $3.75, and look at this route. How does this even make any sense? They're saying it's 4.1 miles. There's no way it's 4.1 miles. I'm definitely declining that. Honestly, sometimes I wonder, why do they even bother trying to have someone deliver such a cheap order for $3.75? It's just not worth it. It doesn't make any sense.
Hi, welcome to Arby's. Please order when you're ready.
I'm picking up a Doordash order. Gentlemen and ladies, I got another update for you guys. It is currently midnight, so it's 12 o'clock. I am 3 hours into my 24-hour challenge, and I am currently doing well. I'm getting a little bit hungry, but I think I'm gonna have to hold off a little bit because I know when the food hits the stomach, the eyes start to close. I don't wanna risk it. I think I'm currently like at $60 or $70, so I mean, it's going pretty well. I'm picking up a Doordash order for Mike. I'm currently almost 6 hours in, and I have decided that I'm probably gonna turn on Grubhub now because it is getting pretty late, and I don't know if I'll be getting any more DoorDash orders. And I do want to give you guys an update. I'm about 6 hours in, and I've done already 14 deliveries, and that doesn't include the 3 I think that I have canceled already, just because they really did not make any sense. It's getting that time of the night where I'm starting to feel the sleep coming in. I gotta fight it off. And I don't know if this is the best way of doing it with the watermelon. Do you guys recall from my, I think it was Uber Eats video, where I said this was the closest delivery I've ever done? Well, check this one out. I picked up from a 7-Eleven, and this is how far I have to take it. This is where I am, and I have to take it right there, literally across the street, right there. And they're gonna pay me $8 for doing it.
What can I get started for you?
I'm picking up a DoorDash order for Madeline. You know you've been awake for the whole night when you show up to McDonald's to pick up an order, and after they give you the order, they tell you to have a good morning. Man, I didn't even have any sleep yet. Telling me have a good morning. Another update for you guys, and I'm telling you guys right now, is when the sleep is starting to kick in. This challenge is not for everyone. It's not for the weak. It's not for those that want to take a break. It's not for those who stop and take a nap and go to sleep. It's not for the well, fell asleep. It is currently hour 11 of the 24-hour challenge, and I'm struggling, I'll be honest with you guys. I have to be transparent, and it's not easy. So give it to all you guys who work really long shifts overnight. I mean, I've been at it for 11 hours, roughly 11 hours now, and I'm just, I don't know, my eyes are just shutting right now. They're closing. I don't know if you guys can tell. My eyes, I don't know if I zoomed in enough. My eyes are pretty red right now. These are the morning hours. I've always heard that morning hours are the toughest, but you know, I never really actually felt it because I've never actually gone through it. I think after today, I can officially say that mornings are the worst when it comes to not sleeping all night. Both of the delivery driver apps, Grubhub and DoorDash, are both on right now. I'm currently 14 hours into this challenge. It's going great, but I'm getting a little bit risky with a few things. The reason why I say that is because I actually just picked up a DoorDash order, and I'm gonna be driving to deliver it. And while doing that, I actually accepted a Grubhub order. Hopefully Grubhub doesn't kick me off the order just because me maybe not going that direction, which I think actually it is in that direction. Let's go. Well, I just got an order from the YouTube legend himself. Can you guys guess what I'm talking about? That's right, Mr. Beast. So I'm picking up an order from Mr. Beast Burger. I just delivered an order that I thought the customer might be not so happy about because I was pretty late. Because it was my fault, I ended up taking a DoorDash and a Grubhub delivery, and I ended up delivering the Grubhub delivery a bit late. But to my surprise, the customer was actually very nice. I dropped off the food and then I went back into my car. I mark it that it's all delivered, and then I turn around and he's coming up to my door and he just hands me a $5 bill. It was very nice of him. Currently in hour number 18, and it's going well. I'm so close to getting my bonus for DoorDash. Look at this. I only need one more delivery and I will qualify for the $200 bonus. So let's get that last order for DoorDash, get that bonus, and let's start crunching the deliveries with Grubhub. Let's go. Yes, finally got my last delivery for DoorDash. The last one that I need to get my promotion, so I'm super excited to get this one done. And then I'm just gonna focus on Grubhub, like I said. Hey, you earned $200. I'm really glad they had this promotion. The funny thing is, was a full coincidence. I was planning to do this 24-hour challenge probably, I would say, a week or two ago. This promotion just came up out of nowhere. So, I mean, it was perfect timing. honestly, I'm pretty shocked at how much I made. And I think you guys will also be shocked. So just be ready to be surprised. Let's continue. I'm tired. Well, I got something to tell you guys. So, my good friend Yefrem, he also has a YouTube channel, by the way. It's Cool Restorations, if any of you guys want to go check it out. He recommended me to do this. So when you deliver with Grubhub, when you finish a delivery, they tell you to send a text to the person who you delivered it to let them know that the delivery has been dropped off. And so he told me to start adding like a plug, telling him to go subscribe to my YouTube channel and check this out. So I've been doing this for the past 2 deliveries that I've done. And this is one of the last ones that I did. So just read it. So this is what it says. So who knows, we might have just gotten another subscriber, but I'm gonna keep doing that. All right, this question is for all of you guys. What word starts with the letter F and ends with the letter W? Think about it. You know what the word is? Food review. Dude, that's 2 words, not 1. What are you talking about? So, same thing. The main point, what I'm trying to say, is that doesn't matter how tired I am, I'm never too tired to try out some new food and give you guys an honest review. Not sure if any of you guys have tried it. It's called Next Level Burger, but it's not a burger. I'm actually trying out their fries. I don't know what to think of this. This doesn't look the best. Yo. Whoa, it's not half bad. Texture is great, taste is amazing. These fries right here cost me $7.95. Are they worth the price? I don't know. I think maximum maybe I would have paid like $5 for this. I give this a very high rating with 9 out of 10 for sure. I'm picking up a Grubhub order. Well guys, I'm almost done. As you can see, it is currently 8 o'clock and I've got exactly 1 hour left and I am finished. I am exhausted. And so for this last hour, I have my special guest helping me out here. He's a little cranky just like his dad made me right now. Wish me luck, I got an hour left. I'll see you guys when I'm done. Just like this video started with this light right here being on, it's gonna be finished the same exact way. I am currently on my way to drop off the last order, which is a McDonald's order. Dropping off the McDonald's order right now, and I am headed to actually a pizza place where I'm gonna pick up some pizza and then I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna relax. Thank you all for coming along with me on this crazy day, I would say. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace. Well, there you guys go. That was my 24-hour shift with DoorDash and Grubhub. If you're wondering if I'll ever do this again, one word answer. Never! I'm never gonna do this again for so many different reasons. I mean, the biggest reason was I was just exhausted. But let's take everything together and sum everything up. So if we take the first platform, DoorDash, on that platform itself, I made $436.92. The breakdown of it was the delivery pay was $110.75. And get this right, the tips were higher than the delivery pay. The tips were $121.80. Honestly, that's pretty crazy for me to hear that the tips were more than what DoorDash actually paid me. And as you guys know, I mentioned that for DoorDash, there was a bonus going on. So there was actually a $200 bonus that I also earned on top of the delivery pay and the tips. And I do also want to not forget the $5 cash tip that I received from one of the customers. As far as Grubhub went, on that platform, I made $280.33. The breakdown of that was $153.06 was the delivery pay, and the tips amounted to $115.24. So if we take everything together, all the bonuses, everything I made in tips, all the delivery pays, I came to a grand total of, believe it or not, $722.82. $2.25. And you guys know me, I want to know what was my hourly rate. My hourly rate came out to $30.09. Yes, that was more than what I get at my full-time job, if anyone is wondering, but not that you care. As far as the expenses went, there really was only one big expense, and that was gas. For me, it was really easy to keep track of how much I spent on gas because I filled up the tank before I started, and then I filled up the tank at the end of my shift. I ended up driving 352 miles, and after filling up the tank, I ended up paying $32.62. And so the whole trip came out to about 39 miles per gallon. After all the expenses, my profit came out to $689.63. I mean, I know I probably should count up all the money that I spent on food, which was probably another $15-20. So in reality, my clean profit was around $669. Don't get me wrong, this was definitely an experience that every person probably needs to go through to understand what it actually feels like to work for the long hours that some people actually do work. But will I ever do it again? Probably not. I do want to share with you guys that I am super excited that this channel is approaching 1,000 subscribers. This has definitely been a long time goal of mine, so I'm super excited that we're almost there. We are still about 170 subscribers away, so if you know someone that's not subscribed yet, definitely let them know. I would really appreciate it. And on that note, I do want to say that I'm super excited that I will be doing a giveaway in celebration of this channel achieving 1,000 subscribers. And I do just want to hint a little bit that there might be some Apple products involved. Well, I mean, or if you don't like Apple products, maybe some Android products. But the main point is there will be some very expensive prizes, which I'm super excited for. So definitely stay tuned. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more similar content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time,
До свидания.